Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 23rd to 27th February 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So here GBP USD chart I have already opened. Let's now talk about the closing first. So here on Friday 0.10% positive closing. 1.34761 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in this week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, as you can see, a good big bullish candle with a bullish body, big bearish candle with a big bearish body and a small lower and small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI, 7486 is the stochastic RSI, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum around. It is around overbought levels, so it is indicating as a negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, you should not only look for RSI or other indicators, you should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So here, this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. You can mark the same levels that I've already marked during a previous week analysis. So let's now directly talk about the closing first. So here 1.34761 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.34667. Direct resistance is 1.34963. After direct support, there is a support of 1.34482 and then 1.34312. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.35159 and then 1.35390. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, if you want to learn trading, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can use the link given in below in the description where you can directly buy a one-on-one session where I teach live trading on how to trade while, and also I'll share how you can be a profitable trader in a long run. So now let's talk about the closing and my opinion. So here 1.34761 was the closing. So overall my opinion for this week is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive closing in this end, that is 1.349632, 1.35519. But if you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 1.35667 gets breached and a 1 day or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till this level, that is 1.34482. Overall my expectation is a bit positive in this range, but if this level gets breached, then I will also go for a short for a intraday or a swing trade. Overall my expectations is a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.